to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this hair. I am wearing hair from Wiggins hair. So today I went ahead and did this Heatless curl tutorial, and I think it came out beautiful. So I dropped my comb, but it came out beautiful. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think on the look, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look without any heat, keep on watching. Bye.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and begin with brushing out the hair. I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see the hairline and see how the hair looks, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place it on my mannequin so I can go ahead and show you guys how I part it. I'm gonna just simply be parting it, and then also y'all, this is an Hdlace, so I'm gonna be putting on my mannequin head. I'm gonna part it, and of course I'm gonna hot comb it and do all of that stuff too. I'm gonna hot comb it part by part and lay down the center part. Even though I do switch it to a middle part at the beginning, I put it at the center part. So that's my beat up hot comb, y'all. I know it looks toasted, but it gets the job done. So I'm just going ahead now with my hot comb, and I'm just pressing out the hair in the center part, and then I'm going to go side by side and part the hair out and hot comb between that, so that my install is super flat and everything looks nice. So now I'm just basically hot combing out one side, and now that I've done the other side off camera, I'm going to go ahead and part out the hair, and I'm going to part out the first two front parts. Y'all, look at this hair. This is a body wave wig, and the pattern on this hair is beautiful. If I'm not mistaken, this is a 28-inch wig. So the first thing I did was part out a nice size chunk. I'm gonna go ahead and brush it, comb it out, and then I'm going to show you guys my Flexi Rods. I'm taking this Tresemme holding spray, and I put some of the holding spray on it, and I also sprayed it down with mousse. After that, I'm going to take each piece, and I'm gonna separate it into chunks. I went ahead and went back in with the Tresemme spray. So now I'm gonna take it in nice size chunks, and I'm just going to wrap it around the rod, and I'm wrapping it around the Flexi Rod, and basically I'm gonna just close it, and that's what makes it tighten. So if you guys notice, when I am wrapping the hair around the Flexi Rod, I am like twisting the hair around, and that is how you end up getting like that wavy look. You have to really rotate the hair around. You just can't wrap it around flat. You have to wrap it around and twist it around. That is what's going to give you those nice bouncy curls. So I'm going to go ahead and continue out that same routine around the whole head. And as you guys can see, when you guys close each end of the Flexi Rod, the hair stays nice and you don't have to worry about it unraveling. So now I'm going to go ahead and continue out that same routine throughout the rest of the video. So guys, this is how it looks now that it's been fully Flexi Rod. I did lose the clip of me gluing down my hairline. I don't know what happened to it, but you guys, it's like something I always do. So I just have myself putting down the corner pieces, and I am putting the corner pieces down with my lace glue, which is a so melted lace glue. And I just put two, my voice went funny because I had to sneeze, but it went away. But I just put 2 layers of the so melted lace glue, and after that I continued on with the hairstyle, and yeah.
Alright you guys, so off rip my part is like so messed up, like it's leaning that way. So I'm gonna start letting all of this dry, and I'm gonna start like pulling them down. So this is how it came out, which is absolutely perfect. This is exactly how I wanted it. It looks so good, and I'm just gonna keep going. And I'm just like softly, because I like mousse them to the Flexi Rods, so I'm like softly trying to detangle them without actually messing them up. Like look, this one is like knotted for what? Like why wanna just unravel? So this is the next one. I'm actually holding both by mistake. I think I should have took this. I should have took this off on a mannequin versus while it's still on my head. But yeah, I'm just like slightly spreading it, but not necessarily like combing it. But I'm just like opening them up wider. But y'all, heatless wall curls for the win. Let's see, me unraveling and stretching it. All right, I think I did the whole back row, and now I'm just gonna move all around. So this piece right here, it looks like this because I ended up cutting the sideburn of it. So this piece, I ended up cutting my sideburns, or like not my sideburns, but like around my ear. So this piece literally just fell off because this is a piece that cut around my ear. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and take out the rest of them, and y'all, these curls look so fire. So now I'm just gonna take out the last two. Now I'm just gonna take out the last two and loosen it up. So for this one, I'm gonna like run my comb through it, but like not like necessarily like run my comb through it. Look at that, y'all. It looks so good. And then I'm gonna do the side. I feel like it would hit so much better if I just clip myself in the eye. I feel like it would hit much better if I had a side part. So I know that my hair is already set, but I'm gonna do it into a side part. I knew I wanted a side part from when I seen how deep it was. So let's make it into a side part. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna start doing my baby hairs so you guys could like see the look. Cause now that I switched the part, it just looks really funny. I did not pluck it. This is an Hdlace And I don't like to pluck Hdlaces because I feel like it makes it like really harsh. So I did not pluck it. And I'm gonna start my baby hairs. And this is it unplucked. It's pre-plucked. So they plucked it for me basically. So I just tucked that behind my ear to get that out the way. I'm gonna start my baby hairs. I'm just gonna talk through this part so you guys can see, because this is a new method that I have been doing. But I like to cut it very long. Then I take my curling iron. All these curling iron baby hairs hit so different, it's not even funny. So I cut it long so that I don't end up burning myself when I roll it up. That's the mistake I made the first time. So I try not to make the same mistakes twice, right? So then it gives me like these curl baby hairs, and then I'll just take my razor and cut off the long pieces. But as you can see, the curl is still there. And then I'll just take my baby hair brush, and I'll take my baby hair glue, and I dip my brush in it. And then I just go like that. So that's how I'll do my first thing, and then I'll come back up here and I'll like work it into tiny, like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through and keep on going. You guys, so this was the last curl that I had, and I basically just did this to like recurl the areas that I had because I switched my side part, and also because I like did some combing in my baby hairs and spacing all the hairs out. I did have to I'm just showing you guys that I'm just like spreading the hairs with my fingers. So I just had to redo like the top parts. I left the ends as is, but just so I can give it that nice wave. Of course, I feel like the curls were like tighter. So here on my lip, I feel as though the curls were tighter with my Flexi Rod, but they actually came out pretty well, even with using the comb. Alright you guys, so I'm just going to use my thing because my hot comb is taking too long. I'm just going to use my curling iron because it does the job the same. This is a 13 by 6 unit from Wiggins hair. This was actually 26 inches. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how it looks from the back. So this is how it actually comes down to my butt, but because I have it curled, it is a bit shorter, but it is a good length. And I am currently loving it. It looks so good. These are heatless curls, guys. Like, look how nice and full this is. You can do this without even having to worry about your hair frying out or anything like that. It looks so good. I'm gonna show you guys the pack. So I use the soft twist rollers by the brand Annie, and I use the 5x8, and they come in a 6-pack. I actually brought 5 packs and end up only using 4 packs. So I used about, I can't do the math, hold on, 6 plus 6, whatever. They came in a pack of, I'm so retarded. They came in a pack with 6 each, and I used 4 packs. So yeah, this is the look that I got. I hope you guys enjoy it. Comment down below and let me know some lists you guys want to see me try, other companies, any color schemes or anything like that. Thank you guys so much for watching.